Do you want to know how you can connect your bank account to your Wise account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step with your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your bank account with your Wise account. So, let's not waste time and start the video. The first step is to open wise.com on any of your browser. The second step is to log into your account. The third step is to click on your profile over here, and the fourth step is to click on settings. Then, the fifth step is to click on connected accounts, and the last and the sixth step is to click on connect your bank account, which you see over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see that only 3 countries are allowed: United States, United Kingdom and Canada. You can select one of these and click on instant verification. After you click on instant verification, this page will load up. Now click on continue. After you click on continue, you can see that some of the banks are available here. So just go ahead and select your bank. So there is an account in Chase. I'll go ahead and click on Chase and click on I'm not a robot. After you do so, you should click on continue to login. Now what you need to do is log into your bank account details. So as I have selected Chase, because I have an account on Chase, I'll go ahead and write down my Chase username and password. So go ahead and write down your password after you write down your username. So after you've written down your password, make sure to check it by click on this So button. And if you want to sign in using token, click on use token and write down your token. The final step is to click sign in. After you click sign in, a verification mail will be sent to the email with which you have registered your bank account with. If you verify it, you can easily connect your bank account to your Chase account. So guys, this is how easily you can connect your bank account with your Wise account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.